Hi, welcome to Spirit Channel. This is Radhika, and today in this video I'm going to teach you 35 English phrases for conference calls. Using these phrases, you can communicate clearly and effectively during conference calls. So let's get started. First, you make sure to introduce yourself to your team or participants. Now look at introducing phrases. Hi everybody, Radhika speaking. Hello, it's Radhika speaking. Good morning, Radhika speaking. Choose any one phrase to introduce yourself and comment down your favorite phrase. Next, check with the participants. The phrases used to check others on the call. Is Radhika online? Do we have Sandra on the call? Do we have Rohan at? Are we waiting for anyone else? Once everything is on place, then kick off the call with the following phrases. Starting phrases. I would like to welcome everybody today. Welcome to the conference call. Is everyone ready to start? Thanks for attending. Could you all, when speaking, state your name clearly? Repeat these phrases along with me. I would like to welcome everybody today. Welcome to the conference call. Is everyone ready to start? Thanks for attending. Could you all, when speaking, state your name clearly? Sometimes interrupting others is an integral part of the calls because the participants want to join the conversation. So, learn polite phrases for interrupting the conference call. Sorry, would you mind if I asked a question? Could I interrupt you for a minute? Just to clarify, are you saying that? Would you mind if I jumped in there, please? Sometimes you might hear them clearly but not understand what they are talking about. Or because of noise and connection issues, you might simply not hear all the points they are making. You want to clarify. Then, here are some common phrases you can use for clarification during the call. Could you speak up, please? Could you explain that again? I didn't get that. I'm sorry. Could you say it again? Could you repeat that again? Or could you repeat a last bit again, please? Sometimes you may even find technical issues or sound issues. Here are some phrases you can use to overcome such issues. If you are not speaking, please put yourself on mute. Sorry, can you repeat that? The sound quality is poor. Radhika, I can hear background noises. Please, can you put yourself on mute when you are not talking? If you haven't subscribed so far, please subscribe my channel. And now let's look at the finishing phrases for conference call. The first one is, so the agreed points are tick tick tick. Is there anything else to discuss? I will confirm our discussion by email. Let's finish the call. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your participation. Let's speak again next week. We have run out of time, so let's wrap up and close the call. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get latest notifications. Enjoy your life. Thank you.